Hi, my name is Thomas Nielsen. I'm just showing you how to use Visual Studio with some Python, simple script just to print out hello world. If you simply run that program, it simply says hello world and terminates the program. If we want to add something else, for example, let's ask a question. Let's say, what is your favorite spell color? And we save that, we rerun it. You'll see now what is your favorite color is there. Save it again. Now, if we go into the commit, actually, let's go back. The README file will be uploaded. It has been uploaded with some useful information, and that actually will appear here. If you look over here on here, it's actually I've uploaded that into GitHub already. But I've changed the original file. So you see this M here, meaning that's been modified. If we go in and we stage that information of hello world, just say color question for the commit that, we sync it, and we reload this. You will see that it just was updated right now. And then it has another print line saying, what is your favorite color? That basically is it. As always, have a great day.